They're built on land.
Floating houses.
With a concrete and a styrofoam base, built on land, and then lifted, trained over and set down and pushed into place. They're about 2,300 square feet, which is the maximum size.
Right.
So most.
Oh, that's very cool.
Most of them are 3 stories to maximize the space, and love the architecture. So we will go right down this next laneway, and you will see a lot of different shapes of them.
I wouldn't mind finding one of these to rent.
Well,
I'm sure they're expensive, but yeah.
I've not heard if they're ever rented, but I'm sure they would be tremendously expensive.
Yeah.
Because the value is 600,000 to $1 million.
Exactly. Well, look at the view you get too. I mean.
Well, it's also, 2,300 square feet.
Yeah.
Waterfront living as they're all hooked up to city sewer, city water, gas mains, anything that on land has.
Wow.
So this is West Bay, which is part of the Esquimalt, really.
Okay. Very cool.
What's for breakfast? Bacon and eggs. Lovely.
Yeah, some of them are gorgeous.
Very expensive sailboats. Lighthouse shape.
Oh, neat.
Look inside at the